Load shedding has been wreaking havoc since its inception 15 years ago. Denise Cole is the latest victim. Her refrigerator and television got damaged during load shedding. Despite being insured, she says insurance excess fees have skyrocketed.
They must also make their money. Now they make it from us. We must pay the insurance. You must pay your excess if things like this happen now. I didn't have the TV, so you must now decide, is it important? So that you can make ways to make that payment of the excess, you understand? Your fridge, it's going off. All the things in your fridge going off. So what are you supposed to do? If it goes off, who's going to compensate you?
Companies which specialize in repairs say they are also victims of load shedding. They say the rolling blackouts prevent them from meeting deadlines. They say it now takes longer to repair broken appliances.
When the load shedding strikes or when there's unfortunate incidents with electricity, we do run off a generator. But the problem is we cannot test any appliances off of those generators, so our work comes to a standstill. If we do test the appliances off of the generator, the client's appliances are going to get more damage.
Hardest hit by this challenge are the poor and pensioners.
The pensioners are suffering the worst. I mean, for a pensioner to have to fork out 5,500 rand, 3,500 rand for something and then just have to do that again a couple of weeks later, it's ridiculous.
One insurance company that has noted a sharp increase in claims is Santam. The company says the increase to excess fees is informed by various factors.
We've seen an increase last year, about 60% of claims relating to appliances, relating to load shedding, and that results in power surge claims as well. Look, I can't comment for all insurers. I think, from a risk perspective, insurers will manage that risk and see how to mitigate, their loss from that sort of sub-loss class out of, power surge claims. And that could be from various sort of initiatives requiring more excesses or also requiring clients to put in power surge protectors and various other forms of devices to prevent any sort of power surge damage to their appliances.
Consumers are advised to switch off their appliances when the rolling blackouts strike to minimize damage. Many don't see an end in sight as Eskom continues to ramp up rolling blackouts. Reginald Witboy, SABC News, Kimberley.